Forex traders. Welcome to Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy Complete Package, helping you reach your financial freedom. This strategy is brought to you by Forex Central. Enjoy learning. How to set up market dashboard in MT4 platform. In your desktop, double-click XM Global MT4 icon. In your MT4 trading platform, click EURUSD chart, maximize pane. In the file attached with this video, look for file name madash.ex4. Right-click and copy. Go to your MT4 chart, click File, then click Open Data folder. Double-click MQL4 folder, then double-click Indicators folder. In your Indicators folder, right-click and paste madash.ex4 indicator. In your MT4 chart, go to Navigator window. Right-click and hit refresh. Then look for Madash indicator. Click and drag Madash indicator into your chart and let go. Then hit OK button. Click OK, I understand button. Congratulations! Your market dashboard is now ready. Thank you for watching. See the next video to learn more about Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy, helping you reach your financial freedom. Brought to you by Forex Central team. If you want to know more about this strategy, please visit us at www.https://forexcentral.online.